Okay, as you can see, I already removed the upper intake. There's the upper intake, and that is the lower intake with the fuel rails on it. So I just got to unbolt that, pull that up. There's your oil filter cap unit right there. That's where your oil filter, it's like a cartridge, paper cartridge. So that's your oil filter right there. All right, peace out. All right, finally got that lower intake off. Now you can see what I'm talking about. There's the oil cooler unit right there. And right down there's your oil pressure switch. As you can see. There you go. All right, I got everything back together. As you can see, lower intake on, upper intake is on. The breather hose tube is on. So everything is on. I did start it up, let it run. Reset the light, drove it about 6-7 times, turn it off, turn it on. That's cycling the ignition. See if the check engine light will come back on, which will say, hey, once that check engine light come on, then the oil pressure light will be on or it'll be flickering. So that didn't do anything, so I took it for a spin, brought it right back in. People probably saying, hey, I didn't hear it run, man. What? We don't know if the thing running or not. You're just showing us videos. I'm going to show you a video, okay? You want to hear it run. All right. About to hear it running. Hear it running. Let you see it running. See the balancer down there? You can tell it's running because you see the balancer moving. See the belt spinning, so you can tell that it's running. All right. Let's go in here and look at the dashboard. Here's the gauges. There you go. So that bing, bing, bing you heard before I got in was the key not being inside the car. Okay, there you go. So, no lights on. Everything good. There you go. Peace out.